Hello everyone, welcome back. So as discussed, now we will be sharing you all the lectures for CA Foundation Accounts paper. But before starting to the first lecture for today, it will be helpful for us to have a glance on the timelines and how we are going to have our classes here. So yeah, so these classes will be helpful for the CA Foundation students who are appearing in upcoming exam, that is September 2024 and onwards, and classes will be mixed in Hindi and English. Yes, तो आपको classes दोनों हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स होकर रहेगी, not fully English, because wherever concepts need a strong understanding, so I will be mixing Hindi and English there. So it will be English, not pure Hindi or pure English. And if in case of any doubt, कुछ भी doubt रहा तो students can reach out to me on my given number there on screen. So I will be covering and trying my best कि there should be no doubt left behind. सब classes के अंदर ही detail से discussion होगा with practicing questions and all. So there should be no more any doubt there. But in case of any doubt or difficulty in understanding whenever you're doing revision, so you can reach out to me on my given number there. Yeah, so let's start. But जैसा मैंने बोला अभी स्टार्ट करने से पहले इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस कि अगर हम ये पूरे 11 चैप्टर्स को एक बार गो थ्रू करें एंड हाउ द ये पूरा पोर्शन जो है ना कैसे डिज़ाइन किया है एक बार गो थ्रू करें. सो व्हेन यू सी टोटल 11 चैप्टर्स, फर्स्ट 2 चैप्टर्स आर वेरी बेसिक. हाँ, पहले के 2 चैप्टर्स में आपको आइडिया मिलेगा कि अकाउंट्स होता क्या है, व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, reasons why we are doing accounting, and what are the functions of accounting and role of accountant in society, and even how we, being a partner in nation building, how we are going to have our role there. So first chapter will speak about that. But when we come to second chapter, the accounting, the way of doing of accounting, it has its own process, because हर कोई उनके मर्जी से कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता प्रोसेस को, राइट. सो इंस्टीट्यूट ने एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेस दिया है, सो दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ डूइंग अकाउंटिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस, राइट. अगर हर कोई अपनी इच्छा से करना चालू किया प्रोसेस को, देन हर कोई अपनी मर्जी से करेगा तो मज़ा नहीं रहेगा, एंड देर इज़ नो, उल्टा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा it in the industry. That's the reason we have our own standardized process called accounting process. 9 stage it has, और उसके एक accounting cycle तक है. So we will discussing there in second chapter, and the next third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh chapter. These 4 chapters, when we see this 4 chapter, these 4 chapters are having a role in the financial statement. Yeah, hold on. These financial statements, these words we will be discussing shortly after going through this all 11 chapters. तो वॉट एवर टर्म्स आई एम यूजिंग नाउ, सबको मैं एक बार आपको गो थ्रू करवाऊंगा, सो दैट यू विल बी नॉट हैविंग एनी डिफिकल्टी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट दिस एग्जैक्टली टर्म्स मीन्स. So these 4, 5, 6, 7 chapters are having the role in financial statement. So institute had given their specific attention to these 4 chapters, and we will be discussing there in detail what these things mean, like inventory, depreciation, amortization, bills of exchange, promissory note, and even a statement called bank reconciliation statement. But आखिर के 5 chapters, this from 7 to 11, these 5 chapters are very important at foundation level, because ये 5 chapter हम are giving you the idea how the accounting is done for the selected 4 entities, 4 types of doing business, 4 ways of doing business. And before starting a lecture, I will have a brief discussion about what is business and what are the forms of business. ये थोड़ा we will discuss and we can move on. But institute portion is covering these last 5 chapters by covering 4 ways of doing business, like sole proprietorship, not for profit organization, partnership and LLP, and the most important interesting chapter, company accounts. So this last 5 chapter and even the income report chapter, these 5 chapters are actually where we are making a financial statement for these 4 forms of doing business. So when we see full level chapters, first 2 chapters are basic, giving a ideology for what we are doing and how we'll be doing, that is covered in accounting process. And next 4 chapters are some selected items like inventory, depreciation, amortization, and bills of exchange, promissory note, and BRS statement. but last 5 chapters are actually the financial statements, and we are discussing the selected 4 entities here, which are very important at the initial stage. Yeah. Now, for starting the first chapter, theoretical framework, we will be discussing how will be the paper for the CA Foundation Accounts paper. Yeah. Now, when we see the paper, institute paper has these 6 questions, each carrying 20 marks. So पेपर विल बी एक्चुअली फॉर 120 मार्क्स. तो इंस्टीट्यूट के पेपर को देखे तो अपन को उसके अंदर 6 क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे, हर क्वेश्चन 20 मार्क्स का रहेगा. बट 6 क्वेश्चन में से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन. तो इस क्वेश्चन को मैंडेटरी वी हैव टू नॉट लाइक राइटिंग, बट दिस ये क्वेश्चन को वी कांट काउंट इन ऑप्शन. व्हेन वी सी नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन, दैट इज सेकंड क्वेश्चन टू 6th क्वेश्चन, दिस 5 क्वेश्चंस we can write any 4 there. So second question to 6th question tak any 4 questions we can write. But coming to first question, this is very mandatory question, not like ये लिखे तो ही पास होते, but this question should be not counted in the option. तो it is compulsory in the sense कि ये अपन को ऑप्शन में काउंट नहीं करना है, नॉट कि ये लिखे तो ही पास होते. तो मेनी स्टूडेंट विल बी इन द फियर कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंपलसरी, ये लिखना जरूरी है, बिना लिखे पास नहीं होते. नहीं, इज नॉट इन दैट वे. सो दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन इन द सेंस दिस शुड बी नॉट काउंटेड इन द ऑप्शन. इसको ऑप्शन में नहीं गिनना चाहिए. सो फ्रॉम द 6th क्वेश्चन यू शुड राइट एनी 5, राइट? सो दैट एनी 5 इज given in such a way that first is compulsory, next 5 question from 2 to 6, in that you have read any 4. तो 2 to 6 में से you have one option to leave there, and first question is shall be not counted for the option. Now when we see each and every question there, like for example first question, you will not having यहाँ पे we will not having only one question, we may have like 1A, 1B, 1C. So institute will have their own subdivisions in question, so that this can be, this total of subdivision will be equal to 20 marks. So in the same way second question to 6th question may be each question के अंदर will be having subdivisions like 2A, 2B या 3A, 3B, 3C. So there can be 4 questions or 2 questions or 3 questions, depends on institute wish. तो वो subdivision रहेगा, yes, subdivision रहेगा each and every question का, and but total will be of every question will be in every case 20 marks. So when we see here we'll be having the 20 marks to score in compulsory question, and remaining 4 questions, that is 4 into 20 marks will be equal to your 80 marks. This in that way your 100 marks will be getting counted, but we'll be having question for 120 marks. So this was your paper pattern. If I summarize, you will having 6 question, you have read any 5, but that any 5 first question is compulsory, remaining 5 questions we have to write any 4, and first question compulsory is in the sense this should be not counted in the option, not like ये लिखे तो ही पास होते. Am I clear? So but now let us actually discuss the weightage for each and every chapter, so that we can plan our schedule and get to know how this each and every chapter is having the importance. So this is the syllabus and the weightage issued by institute. So but when we see the trend, institute has many times have not followed this weightage, but it chances are still there they can follow this weightage, and we can have a broad idea कि कौन सा चैप्टर कितने मार्क्स के आने वाले हैं. बट बहुत बार इंस्टीट्यूट ने ये वेटेज को सही तरीके से फॉलो नहीं किया है, एंड इवन दे हैड, व्हेन वी सी इन दिस पीडीएफ व्हिच इज शेयर्ड बाय इंस्टीट्यूट, हियर आल्सो दे हैड at the note point they had disclaimer that this weightage can have the upside and lower, upside or the downside of 5%. So when we see the institute weightage, the first chapter theoretical framework is having the weightage of 5 to 10%. 5 to 10% मतलब ये 5 से 10 मार्क्स तक आ सकता है. And when you see the second chapter accounting process having a weightage for 30 to 35%, you can see now. So this chapter can come around 30 marks, 35 marks at any case. So this chapter accounting process is very important because it's covering your easily 30 to 35 marks. Because this chapter, not only this chapter, in this second section we are also having second chapter, third chapter BRS, fourth chapter inventory, fifth chapter depreciation and amortization, bills of exchange. So accounting process and these four selected items are covering roughly 30 to 35 marks. Now when we come to third section, here it is covering financial statement for sole proprietor and NPO. ये दोनों में से will having one question for sure, or both questions can be come for 10 marks in any way. So two questions and this ninth chapter incomplete records, तीनों मिलाकर can wait till 20 to 25%. When we come to 10th chapter, specifically partnership is coming for 15 to 20 marks. So I can say partnership is important chapter. Compulsory question for a partnership we can have at any case. We will be having at every paper we will be having question for partnership. It can be your admission, retirement, dissolution, death, anything there. So it is ranging from 15 to 20 marks. And the last chapter, company accounts, very important chapter, and beautiful concepts covered here at this foundation level, and it is waiting till 15 to 25%. So you can see company accounts special, only one chapter is having the range of 15 to 25%. So now I think you got idea now which chapter is much more important. When we see it from, if you ask me, company accounts is very important and partnership. This is because straight away here we are having the one-to-one weightage, because ये chapter में से direct weightage है. But दूसरे chapters का when we see 8th, 9th, 10th, 7th, 8th, 9th तीनों मिलाकर 20 to 25% है, and the second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th 5 chapters मिलाकर 30 to 35% है. So we can't say कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन आएगा. डेप्रिसिएशन में आ सकता है, बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज में भी आ सकता है, या इन्वेंटरी में भी आ सकता है. It can come anything. But when we see last two sessions, this two sessions says directly कि we will be having confirmed question from this two chapter, because it has the direct weightage of one chapter ranging from 15 to 25%. So in that way, these two last two chapters become very important. Compulsory question I can say, मतलब mental question पक्का रहेगा पेपर में, and remaining it can any combination institute which they can pick up. Yeah. So I think now we can start finally our discussion for first chapter.